Welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. This channel is my art magazine page channel where I make content for artists, art entrepreneurs, creative entrepreneurs, talking about the online passive income ideas, print on demand websites, online art business ideas, about a little bit about the social media, and talking about the online income ideas related to creative and artist industry. So today's video I'm going to talk about the Merch by Amazon, because in some of my previous videos I was getting a few of the comments. People were asking me to make a video about Merch by Amazon and how they can utilize it for selling their own products or selling their own print on demand products on that website. So this video is all about, if you are really interested in that, then keep on watching this video till the end. And please guys, give it a big thumbs up for YouTube algorithm to work in my favor, and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you would be getting notified about it. So let's get started with the video. So Merch by Amazon, what does it exactly? For those of you guys who don't know what is the Merch by Amazon, let me give you a little bit of short definition. It's an Amazon version of print on demand platform where you're gonna place your designs on t-shirts, and whenever someone buy that t-shirt, the Amazon will going to print that design onto the t-shirt and will going to deliver to your customer on your behalf, and you don't need to handle the customer service and everything related to delivery, packaging and all that. So that's the Amazon version of print on demand platform. So it's different from Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, and I'm gonna go into that difference, and I'm gonna tell you how it's beneficial and how it's not, and we will go into a little bit more into the depth about it. So this is a basic definition of what is the Merch by Amazon. Now let's talk about why or how you can utilize it. First, the number one reason of opening a shop on the Merch by Amazon is their million users. Like, this is one of the Amazon is one of the biggest e-commerce platform on this planet, and it has millions of users, visitors per month on their platform. So obviously your product will going to be get more eyeballs and are getting be more chances to get by the customer. So that's the one biggest advantage of using the Merch by Amazon or opening a shop under the Merch by Amazon, because it has the huge traffic that will going to be coming on their platform each month. So that's one of the biggest reason of using the Merch by Amazon, because the more people are there, more buyers are coming onto their platform. So obviously your product will get a more higher chances into the search. And using the using this platform is that you just need to place the designs, and as the same reason is the same advantage as for the other print on demand websites, that it's another great way of earning some passive income online, and you don't need to handle anything. So that's the same advantage of using other print on demand platforms over the Amazon, and that's the same reason. So that is the second reason of using the Merch by Amazon, that it gives you a facility to place your designs and you don't need to handle the like the customer delivery and packaging, shipping and all that. So that's also one of the benefit of using the Amazon, Merch by Amazon. The third benefit is, again guys, it's an online passive income idea, so you don't need to do anything about it. Now moving on to some about the little bit about the difference, what is the difference in comparison to Redbubble and TeePublic. In Merch by Amazon, it's not open for everyone. You need to apply for an invitation, like you need to go into there and fill their form, fill their invitation request, and then they will going to review your application, and then they will going to decide whether they will going to allow you to open your shop onto the Merch by Amazon or not. So it's an invitation based platform. You can't just go and start open your shop and on the day one itself uploading your designs and selling it. Likewise, like as you do in the Redbubble, in the TeePublic, that you upload the design and you open a shop on the day one itself and you start selling your products on the day one itself. But in this scenario, or in this Merch by Amazon case, you don't have that option. There is an invitation option. You need to apply for that application, you need to fill their form, and then they will going to review your application and they will going to decide whether they need to allow you to open a shop or not. So that is the one major difference. Another difference is that there is a tier system, guys. Like, you can't upload multiple different designs on their platform on the day one itself. Like, there is a tier system. In the beginning you are only allowed to upload 10 designs, and when those 10 designs get sold, then you would be getting the more slots for the 25 designs. Then you can place the 25 designs, and so on. That slots will going to increase as you're getting more sales for your products. So you need to be very specific about placing very high quality designs onto the 10 slots, so that there would be more likely chances of your product getting sold, and when that product gets sold in that 10 slots, you would be getting the 25 slots, and then slowly and slowly your tier system, your slot system will going to increase, and then you would upload more multiple designs. So you need to be very strategic about in the beginning of uploading only those designs that are best quality designs that you are uploading on different Redbubble, TeePublic, and which is getting more sales and which is the high quality designs. So upload only those designs in these 10 slots in the very beginning after you get an approval from the Amazon. And then so basically the application, the invitation process in the 3 steps. The first step is the business contact. If you don't have a business contact, if you don't have a niche industry, or sorry, if you don't have a niche website related to your business or related to your niche, then you don't need to panic about it. If you have one, then please mention your website in that application. If you don't have one, then use your name as in the business contact. Then the second thing is about the payment option. Like there are some countries which are applicable or which are allowed to open a shop, and there are some other countries which are not allowed to open a shop on that, because you need a routing number and you need a United States account number and all that. So if you are the person who don't belong to those countries who are applicable by the Merch by Amazon, there is another option for you guys as a Payoneer. You can go onto the Payoneer and you can make an account as an individual account on the Payoneer itself, and then you can use the United States account number that you will be getting on the Payoneer and the routing number, and then can place that account number and routing number into your Merch by Amazon application, and then can proceed with the payment information. The another aspect is the taxpayer. You need to give your taxpayer identification number. It is different for different countries. If you live in United States, it would be different. If you're living in the European countries or in the Asia or in Australia, it would be different. So you can go onto their platform and you can look out what exactly the taxpayer number or the number they are asking you, or the identification number they are asking you in that application. So these are the 3 basic steps that you need to apply for it. I'm going to link the Merch by Amazon website in the description box below, so you can check out the details on that itself. So this is the 3 steps basically you need to follow. That is all the technical requirements that are really essential for opening a shop. Then there is an application. You need to mention in the application, like if you have any website, you can write about their application, your website in the application. If you are selling your products onto different platforms, you can mention that as well, that you're selling your products on Redbubble and TeePublic and you're getting sales for those designs, and you make high quality designs. So you can also mention that very well in the application. Another thing you can mention that you have read their terms and conditions, so that it would be more easy for Amazon to get approval for your invitation, because you have read the terms and conditions. So you will going to follow their rules and their privacy policy, everything that they have on their platform. And please guys, do your homework, go onto their platform and read the terms and conditions, and then only start with applying for the invitation. Because if we approve that you produce very high quality designs, and your high quality designs will going to be an add-on to the Amazon platform, and these designs are selling on some other platform as well, so they would be getting high likely chances to get sold on the Amazon itself. They need an assurance from you that you are producing good quality designs, and your designs are selling on other places. So it's a social proof that your designs are selling on other places, and you have read the terms and conditions, so you won't be violating the rules, and you would have read about the copyright infringement and everything, and so you will going to follow their rules. Another thing, you don't need to beg into their application that please give me this chance, I want to open your shop and all that. Don't beg it guys. You are providing a value to their marketplace, so you need to represent yourself in that position. You don't need to put yourself down in comparison to the Amazon and say to them, please allow me to open a shop. And don't do that guys. Just be providing an equal amount of value. As you are placing your designs, you are giving them more opportunity to get sales on their platform, so you are an add-on. So don't do that. So these are some basic tips that you can follow while applying for the invitation while filling your application form on their platform. Also guys, you need to keep one thing in mind, that they are not allowing everyone onto their platform. They're very strategic about, they don't want the spammers and the copyright and all those issues that many people are opening their shop. So they are thinking about their brand, because Amazon is a brand. So you need to keep this thing in mind while applying for the application and while uploading their designs onto that platform. And one thing, you can upload the designs which you are already getting sales on Redbubble and TeePublic. So there is a big social proof that those designs are selling on other platforms. So they would be getting more likely chances to get sold on the Merch by Amazon itself. Then another thing I want to tell you, you are only getting the 10 slots. So be very strategic with uploading the designs in that 10 slots. And when you have uploaded those 10 designs onto those 10 slots, you would be getting some time span. I don't know exactly the time span. It's just like in approximately 180 days. So you would be given that much days or that much weeks for your design to be there on the Merch by Amazon. If it gets sold, then those designs will going to be permanently be placed into the marketplace of Amazon. If those designs didn't get sold in that particular time span, then those designs will going to be automatically removed by Amazon, and then again you would be getting those 10 slots, and you again can upload the fresh designs on those platform on the Merch by Amazon itself. So keep this thing in mind, upload design that is very high quality, that is already getting sold on other places. So you would be getting a big social proof that those designs are selling. You can promote your Amazon store onto different social media platform, onto YouTube channel. If you have a blog, promote it on the blog or any social media platform, so that you would be getting more high likely chances to getting sales for your designs in that time span in the very big name. The last thing I want to say you guys, that one of the thing that is a little bit of about the cons you can say, but it can be a beneficial, whatever you can say, that in case of the Redbubble, you're getting more products to place your designs, but in case of Merch by Amazon, you are not getting so many products to place your designs. You only have a limited products, so that is one of the cons of the Merch by Amazon. But obviously they have many pros, that they are having the huge traffic, getting more monthly views in comparison to Redbubble and TeePublic. So that is one of the biggest advantage, and that is works in your favor. So you can very well go and check that platform out, and please let me know in the comment section below if you have any query related to that, or if you want any other video related to any of these websites or anything like that. Please let me know in the comment section below. And that's it for this guys, that's it for this video. See you for the next time guys. Take care. Bye.